Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music or from Spotify in a Canva presentation. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply type in www.canva.com in the search bar and log into your own account after giving you all the login credentials. Then open up the presentation that you would like to edit. Then from the left hand side go to the apps option, and here you have to simply type in the embed, then click on enter, and here you have to choose the first option from here, and here you have to just simply put the Spotify song link. So let's say I would like to choose this one from here, then just simply click on the three dot of the Spotify music. Then here you have to click on the share, then you have to click on the copy link to song, and after that you have to simply paste it to here. Then here you have to click on add to design. After that it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded, and here you can see the process is already started in the place, and here you can see that the music is already here. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.